Yep. New battery, first ride. Have the service light on. You can see that there. Service light. That's because I changed the battery. Oh yes, sounds a lot better. Lights stand up. First gear. Here we go. We have a voltage on the screen. Already 14 volts. Just a quick battery replacement of the BMW R1250RT for the second time. Twice. This is the second one. Seems that the battery in the RT is very susceptible to cold weather and the bike not being used or not being on a trickle charger, which I'm here on a trickle charger, and I have ruined my second battery. So we're going to unbox. Let me attach my microphone. There, we're going to unbox it if I can. Didn't bring a knife. I have a screwdriver. Got this from Nippy Norman's. The battery for the RT is an Exide. It is the Exide. It's the AGM 12-16. See, 16 ampere, 12 volts. So, the first thing we have to do is remove this bolt, this screw, with a, see that? That's a torque. This is where the battery is. The battery's up here. There's 3 screws you have to take out, or 2. Just take out 1. The way. There's 1. There's one here. You see this? One up here. Very, very long screws. Much longer than they need to be. 2. And we just loosen the third one. Just loosen the third one. Loosen it. Then this falls away. We'll put this cloth underneath it to protect it from being scratched. And as we can see, here is the battery compartment. So we have to remove this part, this cover here, to get actually at the battery. Hang on a second. I've done this a couple of times before. Screw over onto there. There. And the cover comes off, and that's the cover. You can see it's got hooks and a hook there, and it's quite difficult. I find it quite difficult. And then we have the battery here, which we just pull out. Yeah, and I'm going to undo this one. Okay, right, so I'm going to undo the negative pole of the battery. That's it. Screw. And then I can pull out the battery all the way, which is a bit tight because of the red cable. And there's the red one. A screwdriver. Undo this one. And there is the battery out. Put my screws over here. And this is the battery I'm replacing. It's exactly the same one. And hopefully I don't kill this one within a year. Well, and here is the new battery. Exactly the same. It also comes with new hardware. Whether I'll use that or not, I don't know. And so this goes back in the reverse. See if we can do this without dropping anything. Right, tighten up the screw. Tight is my knee. There we go. Now pass it over that. So after a bit of a faff around, I got the battery in the right position. That's hard work. There's not much room in there. Let's hope. Right, do up the screw. And that, in basic terms, is how you change the battery of an RT. It's still pushed out a little bit. Push it back in. Now I'm going to fight with the cover, as I always do. So that is the battery reinstalled and tight. There it is. It's all black on black, but it is there. The cover's back installed, those are tight. Now it's just time to put this back on. Which is quite simple. I just swing it back into position. Like that. Using the torque screw again. Put this one in. That one in loosely, and I'll put this one in loosely. And then tighten them up. I have to remember to tighten all three torque screws because I took two out and put one in. Took two out and left one in, but I loosened it, so I have to go and retighten it. So, removal and installation of the BMW R1250RT battery is quite a simple operation if you've done it before, which I have. This is the second time I've done it. So we'll put the old battery in this box. We'll keep the hardware, and hopefully the new X-side battery will last a little bit longer. And that is a wrap, except for I have to start it for the first time. Press the power button. Everything will have reset to 0. We've got the service thing that comes up because I changed the battery. Battery voltage is at 11.9. And that is how I changed the battery. That is how I changed the battery in my RT.